Okay, so this one came in for a throttle. The throttle was broken on this one, but I've replaced it, and now the scooter, the error is gone, but it's got this unusual beeping sound, and I've never come across this one, and it's not really coming up with an error. But when I spin the motor, the motor's working fine, but it's not giving out the correct speed. Okay, so here I have this controller unit, which is the same as this one. So I'm just gonna plug this one into here. So now the bottom plate's on, and as you can see, there's no beeping sound. Just spin the wheel. The wheel's spinning fine, and there's no beeping sound.